with his new Turtle Beach headset I got him for his birthday. So excited. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm giving you a organization / closet update video. I know I said I was going to do Marie Kondo videos and like section by section by section, but I kind of got overzealous a few weeks ago and I ended up just basically cleaning out all of my drawers. I still have yet to do my shoes and a couple other things in my closet, but once I do that, I am going to do a closet reveal video to show you guys like what it looks like now. Honestly, it's a lot more manageable, makes me very happy. I know where my clothes are, I know what I have, and I see everything, and I'm not like, oh my gosh, I have so many clothes, what do I do with this? So I do have another huge pile of clothes over here I have to go through and give away. Spring cleaning, guys, it's all about the spring cleaning. If you guys have seen those videos, which I will link them down below, I mentioned that the main goals of my closet were to obviously get organized so I can see everything, know where it is, all my crop tops on hangers, which as of right now has been a success because I am wearing one right now that I haven't seen in like forever, and to take one of my plastic Sterilite drawer organizers out of my closet and use it in my beauty room to store like my extra stuff that I have. I've got hair stuff in there and a whole bunch of stuff. So those were the main goals of my closet declutter. So I'm going to show you guys what my little area over here looks like now that I was able to bring another stack of drawers into this room, which is amazing because this room is still really unorganized, as you know. Been here almost a year and I still haven't gotten it together, but we're working on it. So now, here is the part of the video where I wanted to show you guys the update on my organization. As you guys heard in the first part of the video, managed to finally be able to take out a plastic drawer, as you guys can see right here next to my little nail polish organizer, which is awesome, to put stuff in. So I'm just going to give you a little tour of what I've done with it. So this used to hold my bras, my bikinis, all that kind of stuff, and I just condensed it down in my closet, so I'm very happy about that. So actually start from the bottom. Bottom here in this drawer, we just have like extra makeup bags. I recently just bought this bag, which you guys probably will see in a haul coming very soon. Just extra makeup bags. My camera's in here, which I know we're gonna bring the camera back. I just have to charge it, but I've been very lazy. I don't know why. Maybe that's gonna make a reappearance very soon. Here is like all of my like jewelry. Everything in boxes is like my expensive, my nice jewelry, my engagement ring, earrings that my dad got me, nice watch, like that sort of thing. Then in here is just like all like keychains. I have more extra jewelry and stuff that's just kind of like junky, but yeah, so that's all that's in here. And then on the top drawer, thankfully, I have some hair accessories. I have this full thing of sponges that Alba got me for my birthday that I'm gonna plan on using to use on other people, to be honest. It's got like my extra jewelry things that I used to keep up there that I just condensed my jewelry. These are all of my clean booty benders in here, and we've got all of my brush cleaning stuff, some hair clips, combs, hair brushes, that sort of thing. And I might as well show you guys my jewelry. I actually just recently got this. If you are a 90s baby, then you know this is one of the Caboodles storage containers, which is so awesome. It's a pink glitter one. I got it off of Ulta. Target sells it as well. Here, you know, just opens just like if you're a 90s kid. Like I used to love these. Oh my gosh. Inside it just opens up like that. Part opens, there's a mirror, and then there's like a little compartment in there where I keep all of my jewelry, as you guys can see, and same on that side. And then underneath is like mainly all of this section right here is mainly all necklaces that are all just kind of like piled up in there. And then right here is like bracelets and jewelry. Wow, Sam, bracelets and earrings, as you guys can see. Yeah, that's also how I'm storing my jewelry now. I just wanted something different. I don't know, I just didn't really like the idea of all my jewelry being out because I feel like it was getting dusty really easily and so on and so forth. But that is the little update. And then on top here we've got all of my like backups of stuff in my Jeffree Star makeup bag, and we have a random candle holder. So right now that's what this area is looking like. It used to look a lot worse, so I'm happy that, you know, we've got like boxed up stuff here now and it doesn't look as crazy. And of course you guys have already seen my makeup collection, which I'm trying to dwindle down a little bit, but it's just, you know, I'm a girl and I need things, guys. Like, what can I say? So this is just a brief overview in case you guys haven't seen that video, but I will link it down below if you are interested in watching it, because it's just basically an overhaul of everything that I own makeup wise and my setup, which is all right up here. Speaking of organizing, another area of organization I have been really lacking on, I feel like, is my nail polish. Now, most of you guys know, for the most part, I do get my nails done, but it's been quite a while. The last time I had my nails done was back in December, and then I kind of went in a fit of rage and tore them off, and then I was polish girl for the last few months. As you've seen, I have gotten my nails done again. I am going to be getting them done probably for quite a while, to be completely honest. Such a hard time organizing my nail polish. If you've seen any of my old organization videos, if you've seen my nail polish collection in any video, any vlog, anytime ever, it's always been in a box. I can't see everything. I have a ton of nail polishes. I don't know what I have. Not even just nail polish, but just in general with everything. And that's just been my main goal this year, is to just clean out my stuff, stop buying so much stuff that I don't need, except when I impulsively shop. So yeah, but I am really excited because I want to share with you guys that a company reached out to me and wanted to send me a product. And obviously I, just like every other YouTuber, I wouldn't review it if I didn't like it. Like, yeah, pretty much true though. And I absolutely love this product, so I wanted to share it with you guys. And this is the Solid Beauty Concepts nail polish organizer. Now I will just say for the record that you do not have to use this just for nail polish. That's just honestly what I'm choosing to use it for. Yes, they're all upside down because I made an error here and I'm gonna fix it after the video, so no worries. You do not have to use this for just nail polish. You can use this for lipsticks, can easily fit in here. You could even put false lashes in here, or even I think liquid lipsticks would fit in here. I think Jeffree's would fit in here too, right? Yeah, Jeffree, you can probably fit some Jeffree Star liquid lipsticks in there, which is really exciting, especially if you are someone that has a lot of makeup, you're not able to see a lot of it. This is a great way for you to get organized because there are 48 compartments in here. Some of them are adjustable depending on what you want to store in there. It has a nice, as I drop it, nice handle so you can hold onto it, and you can easily just store it away like this, and it's just nice and flat, or like this, whatever you prefer. But I really love that I can see all of my upside down nail polishes in it and see all of the colors. I just decluttered my nail polishes just now because there's a lot of them I just will not wear anymore. As you guys can see, like, I can see everything, all the colors. So if I decide I want to repaint my gel nails, paint my toenails, I feel like I forgot to mention that I do paint my toenails myself most of the time if I don't get a pedicure. Every single week, that's kind of how like crazy I get. Every week when I go to paint my toes, I like to see the colors beforehand, and having them all in a box is just a little bit difficult. This is just gonna make it a lot easier for me, and I'm really excited about it. The way that this opens, you guys are probably like, there are two different sides. So you have 1, 2, 48 compartments total. I think I mentioned that already. Done with the video. Okay, cool. Other things that I definitely want to mention, this is a hard plastic. It is not acrylic. So if you did happen to want to take the organizer with you, if you are a makeup artist, if you just do nails for a living, whatever your heart's content, you accidentally smash this on the ground, I feel like the likelihood of the plastic breaking is going to be not as bad as if it was with like an acrylic case or something like that. So that's just me though. Don't take my word for it though, but that's just me. At least that's what I would think in my head, you know what I mean? So the way that you open this is that one side opens like this, easy open clasp right here. You flip the whole thing up, whoa, okay, hello. And there's all of your things right there. The great thing I do like about this organizer, which I kind of wish the whole organizer was like this, is that there's a few little compartments right here that come with these little plastic squares that you could easily, with the little grooves, put into whatever you want to, and make these compartments whatever size, how big you want them, depending on what you're storing, which is great. It does come with extra plastic squares for that, and it also comes with some like little toe things if you like to give yourselves manis and petties, mostly petties. These are really, really cute. Basically what it looks like in there. The one thing I will mention that I've noticed on this side though, however, is that there is it's a little bit warped right there. I don't know if it's gonna pick up on the camera, just right here, the compartments, but then again, that could have just been from the heat, could have been from shipping, could have been when it was manufactured. It couldn't, but for me, it's a really minuscule thing. It doesn't really bother me because I can still fit stuff in there and it's not going to bother me. This is mainly for storage. It's not like I'm going to be taking this everywhere with me, somewhere along the lines. And then the other side basically flips the same way, but just the opposite way. So here's the other side. Then here are all of my like glittery and glow-in-the-dark polishes right here, and extra ones that didn't fit on the other side. And I still have a ton of room, again, still having the little organization clasps right here. You can organize your makeup or nail polish the way that you want, which is amazing. If you guys are interested in this organizer, I will link it down below. I do have a coupon code that I do not get commission for 10% off of your purchase if you do choose to buy the organizer. I am really excited that this company reached out to me because literally I have been trying to figure out a way to organize my nail polish without having to build like a nail polish shelf, keep them in a drawer or something. And I feel like this is just going to be the best way for me to keep them organized and just keep them like near my makeup or just near everything else over here. The the other organized chaos that's over here. So it doesn't take up a lot of space, and you guys can see if you want to slide it in anywhere, or if you're gonna keep it out like this, like whatever your heart's content. I'm really excited for it. So again, I want to say thank you to the company for sending this to me. I really do appreciate it. Before I forget, it also comes in like a clear pink color. They didn't have the clear pink, but it's okay. I'm kind of happy I got the clear actually, because I can see the colors better for when I want to paint my toes, which is gonna happen today. So I think I might end up actually, but I just like how everything's just nice and organized in there, and there's like a little bit of room, and it's not like a crazy little compartment. It's not too tight, it's not too big, it's just right size for everything. That is the nail polish organizer, and I'm very excited for it. Again, thank you to the company for sending it to me, and again, my coupon code, everything is linked down below. Very heavy because I have a lot of polish. But like I said, it's not just for storing nail polish. You could put lipsticks in there, false lashes. If you want to use it for even makeup, something totally different like art supplies or whatever, like I think that's a great. And the last thing I did want to mention is the price. Now, normally I feel like if I found one of these in Walmart, TJ Maxx, Walmart, I'm saying Walmart because Walmart does have some of their organization stuff is kind of pricey. Wherever, this would probably be like 30-40 bucks, and I'd be like, oh hell no, I'm not paying that. This is only, I think, $22. I will put the correct price right here because I can't think off the top of my head, and I think that's an awesome deal for what you get. 48 compartments, make your own compartments depending on what you have. It's a nice hard solid plastic, has a handle, you could take it with you anywhere, and I think that's just a really bomb deal for what you get. So everything will be linked down below if you guys are interested with my coupon code. Thank you again to the company for sending it to me. I really truly do appreciate it. It is a really awesome organizer, and I love it. I love it. I love being able to see them all now. I'm really happy. Kind of like my little update video on my closet situation, on this situation, on my nail polish situation. If you guys want to see any other organization videos, please let me know down below. I do want to start doing like cleaning with me routines, maybe. I don't know. I don't think you guys want to see that. Probably not telling my mom, right? I do enough cleaning at work. I feel like I do so much cleaning every day, all day at work, that I'm just, yeah. So I feel like I'm forgetting to mention something, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video and helped you in some way. Please let me know down below other videos you guys want to see this summer. I am going to be like trying to pump out videos as best that I can, considering I'm supposed to be taking 3 classes and everything's all messed up right now. So I don't know if I'm going to school this summer. That's where we're at. But I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next, I don't want to start doing it again, video.